OnePlus Watch 2R was launched in India. OnePlus Watch 2R is the latest model in the OnePlus wearable lineup and the cheaper variant of the OnePlus Watch 2. The OnePlus Watch 2R is priced in India at 17,999 rupees. The OnePlus Watch 2R will be offered in forest green and gunmetal gray. The OnePlus Watch 2R design more than bears a passing resemblance to the Watch 2. The Watch 2 weighed 49 grams without the strap. The Watch 2R weighs just 37 grams. The OnePlus Watch 2R has the same basic display as the Watch 2. It's a 1.43-inch circular AMOLED screen with a 60Hz refresh rate, 1000 nits of peak brightness level, and a 2.5D sapphire crystal glass. The OnePlus Watch 2R has identical software and hardware to the Watch 2. The OnePlus Watch 2R is powered by the Snapdragon Wear W5 chipset paired with a BES2700 additional low-power chip with 2GB of RAM, 32GB of storage running Wear OS. The Watch 2R includes 100 watch faces in the O Health app, a handful of which are pre-installed on the device. OnePlus has packed a 500 mAh battery into the OnePlus Watch 2R. It supports 7.5W VOOC fast charging via a USB Type-C port. It is also said to offer up to 100 hours of battery life on smart mode and up to 12 days on power-saving mode. It is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance and will be able to dive to 2.5 ATM, dual-frequency GPS, and more than 100 sport modes. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.